Nancy.
And I'm John.
And we are J&N Travels.
Today is day 12, getting to the end of our cruise.
Yeah.
Thursday, December 12th, and this, of course, was a sea day.
Yep.
Nancy and I woke up at 9 a.m. She had an urge for some more bacon.
Oh, love that bacon.
Well, we eat tons of bacon on a cruise, and we eat very little bacon the rest of the year. So.
Yeah, we don't usually buy bacon.
So she wanted to get her last fill. So we went up to the Garden Cafe for breakfast. Johnny had another go-kart appointment set for 2 o'clock, but it was very cold out, so we decided just to cancel that, and we went up and did that while we were up having breakfast. We met Johnny for lunch at Savor at noon. We had a typical meal, which we've gone through before, that we have at the sit-down lunch.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, after that we went to the art auction for just a short time, had some wings and champagne at the auction. Then we went up to the atrium where Nancy did the napkin folding demo.
Oh, yes.
I got Johnny and we met Nancy in the atrium. Now the sadness started to set in.
I know.
As we headed back to our cabin to start our packing little by little. At 4 p.m. we visited the observation deck for one last time. It was 5:30 p.m. and time for our dinner reservations and taste. Let's see, what did we eat at Taste? We had chicken piccata, steak, and fettuccine.
Fettuccine is really good, too.
You actually had the fettuccine several times.
I loved the fettuccine. It was excellent.
After eating, we went back to the cabin to spend another hour packing. After this hour was done, we took a break and went to another show of Britain's Finest, which was the people doing the tribute to the Beatles.
And if you love the Beatles, this is a must-see show. And this, very well done.
Well, we had seen it from the side, remember the doorway, 5 different times. This was another show that they did in the Bliss Theater, which was great because you could see the whole thing.
Yeah. It was always crowded at the cabin. So you have to get, if you wanted to see them in the cabin, you had to get there really early.
Yeah, keep in mind at least a half hour early.
Yeah, at least a half hour early.
After the show, we went back to the cabin, finished packing, opened the door, put our suitcases out in the hall at about 9 p.m., and then went to the last show on board. This was another performance by the Flashback Four. So we watched that. After the show was over, we went down to the atrium where they were having a farewell dance. It was time for our last batch of chicken
wings.
So we got one of each flavor and enjoyed those for the last time.
Yeah, and I must say, I really enjoyed the taco bowl, too, at the local. That was a really nice treat.
That's something to mention. Both you and Johnny liked it a lot.
Yeah, we did. It was really good. So, chicken wings and taco bowl.
Well, and you also enjoyed the Reuben there, which you didn't. You only got once this trip.
Yeah, I only got it once, but I did like the Reuben.
And Johnny liked wasn't that the mahi sandwich? Was that there?
That was a Taste.
Oh, okay, so that was a lunch.
Yeah, mahi sandwich is good at Taste or Savor, one of those restaurants. But yeah, that was a very good sandwich.
So we ended this night by doing a very slow walk around the ship for one last time, and then we're back in our cabin at midnight. We sadly set our alarms for 7 a.m. and also had a wake-up call for 7 a.m. And went to bed.
And just to mention about the shows that we saw, even though our son didn't know a lot of the music, he really enjoyed, I think he enjoyed it because it was live, He really enjoyed the live performance because he made a comment how he really enjoyed Beatlemania and he really enjoyed some of the songs that they were singing. A few of them he did recognize, but not all of them. But he really enjoyed the live performances.
Yeah, they were very theatrical.
Yeah.
Steps walked today was 11,831. Miles was 6.0, and the weather, unfortunately, was cloudy and cold.
Johnny learning how to make a pair of underwear.
I don't know what you do from here.
Tonight, the NCL Show is brought to you by Anacin. Attention, soothe irritability. Anacin. And by Pillsbury, makers of light, fluffy.
Now I want to get the second half of our show. Ladies and gentlemen, the Beatles!
Pretty much everywhere. And this one's called All My Loving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close your eyes. There were bells on a hot day's night, and I've been working my hand. If I could a million when the moon hits your eyes like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
Jungle, the mighty jungle, lying under the boardwalk.
To your New York.
Guys, what do you say? Last night.
Oh, that's sad. The entertainment
We're very
is
sad.
amazing.
But we're about to eat our body weight in chicken wings, so it's going to make up for it.
Sad, sad,
We
sad.
danced, we listened to good music, we had good food. Our last chicken wings, we enjoyed them. Look at that.
I don't even know what flavor mine were. I just ate them. Just ate them.
Please click on Smiley the Frog icon to subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell to be notified of future videos.
And remember, stay young and have fun.